We are in East Moline, Illinois at the Mid-America Carpenters Regional Council Apprenticeship and Training Programs Quad Cities campus. Our main mission is to serve Carpenters Local 4 and Millwrights Local 2158.
A millwright is kind of like an industrial mechanic. You know, anything that moves, rotates, conveys in an industrial setting is the work of the millwrights.
We can do a fair bit of different trainings here, anything from all the different conveyors that we have, screw conveyors, bucket elevators, monorail, which are the main conveyors that we have here in the Midwest to be able to service our clients.
This was built as a consortium between the contractors and the Mid-America Carpenters to facilitate more technology in the training. This building is about 65,000 square feet with approximately 25 to 30,000 dedicated to shop space. We have a millwright training area, we have a robotic training area, we have the general carpenter shop, and an alignment shop for the millwrights.
This shows our end users our commitment to training and staying on the leading edge of training.
We know what's going on. The union knows what's going on. The contractors know what's going on. And we funnel that to our training department, our training program. And those guys eagerly take that information and create the best training program out there.
Our contractors are always looking for the most highly skilled, the most safe workers. And we feel that we get that with the Mid-America Carpenters millwrights.
They're highly skilled, they're trained. They come in, they teach attitude too, and that's what you have to have with the customer, good attitude. I get a lot of clients because I do work for Amazon, FedEx, a lot of big companies.
Global brands like these demand contractors who require millwrights that are trained on the latest technology and deliver precision.
The Mid-America Regional Council's training center is addressing the needs to the future, ever-changing with technology and equipment. They are adept and have state-of-the-art equipment and methods to train apprentices and also journeyman upgrade classes as well.
I've seen the training they do, from conveyors to robotic setting robots to pump training, all that, and I don't see other groups training like that. So I'm more confident that the job's going to be done right, and we've had many successful. I do a lot of maintenance of equipment for a lot of the big companies. They keep calling us back. They like what we do.
There's not too many training centers, you know, in the country that have their own robotics cell like that in the training program that we have.
We want to be able to implement robotics into our standard curriculum so that everybody knows anybody that comes from this training center has a good working knowledge of robotics.
The millwright can install it. Now what we're doing is teaching them to troubleshoot the automation.
So robot's not moving? You're going to get your call?
They can come in and work on the automation also. What millwrights are offering is a highly skilled, trained workforce.
Today, millwrights are being educated in the field of mechatronics in order to stay current with new technology.
Mechatronics is the mashup of mechanical and electronics. That's a robot, right? It's a mechanical beast that's actually doing things for us, but it's run on an electrical schedule. So we're able to take data inputs, give it very key things to be able to do, string them together in a pattern that this robot's doing what we need it to do.
They get some robot training with it too, so they can move them around, hit touch points. That's where you come in with the electronics part. And the mech is for mechanical. That's what millwright is. They move robots, they can fix them, they can change proc switches on them.
As automation accelerates across virtually every industry, it's millwrights who keep these machines working and moving businesses towards their full potential.
We understand that for the next generation of millwrights and carpenters, there has to be a backfill, and college is not for everyone. People are starting to go back towards the trades. And what a great opportunity that we're working together, labor and management, to fulfill our workforce needs.
It feels good when I finish a job. I also find a lot of fulfillment when I have another job at that same place and I see that machine is running correctly, and it really fills me with a sense of achievement knowing me and my crew did a good job.
I'd say being in the union is the best pay I ever had, and the benefits, the retirement, it's really good. The experience and the people you work with, they're awesome.
Currently, they're still working on implementing all the technology. So the big thing for them will be applying that technology to their existing job, and it actually should make them, I won't say more accurate, but it'll help them be more accurate in an easier fashion, and it will speed up installation and maintenance processes for them.
The future for a millwright looks amazing. The amount of growth and expansion that the United States is experiencing is awesome. So anytime that buildings are being built, moved, changed, retrofit, it's a millwright that's in there doing it. So our outlook for the future is on top of the world.
Today, more than ever, skilled millwrights from the Mid-America Carpenters Regional Council continue installing and maintaining automation, as well as building the future of American industry.